I planted a clover lawn. I've wanted to do this for such a long time. So here we are in front of said clover lawn. It is absolutely beautiful. The reasons that I did a clover lawn are many. Some of the main reasons are that it is beautiful. It's so fluffy and darling. It looks absolutely amazing even when the grass is crispy brown. The clover is still bright and green. It is nitrogen fixing for the soil, so it's exceptionally good for the environment. Pollinators love it. The little flowers that are on it are just absolutely covered in bees and butterflies, and absolutely everything loves it. There's literally no downsides. You can walk on it, it can handle foot traffic. So fluffy, so sweet, fast growing, easy to germinate. I have no complaints. We bought the Outside Pride variety. I got it from Amazon. This is not sponsored. I'm gonna post it down in the description of this video so you guys, if you are looking for a good clover, I had exceptionally good germination with it. No complaints at all. It is a white Dutch clover and we just love it. So today, for today's video, I'm gonna be mowing my clover and I'm gonna be using my Manual Reel Mower. It's one of those gasless, it's not electric, it's literally just you push it in the grass and it cuts the grass like they did back in the day. The reason that I'm gonna be using this, we normally use our like John Deere tractor mower, but there's just, I like the idea of manually mowing. So I'm gonna be doing that today and I thought you guys might enjoy watching me cut my clover lawn. So you guys saw the before. Here's what it looks like after. You can see the little tops of the clover are kind of knocked down and you can see it sort of takes the pieces down, but not to worry because in just a couple of days, these areas will look like. This is sort of what the clover does when you mow it down. You see how instead of it getting super long, I don't know if you guys can see here, let me. Okay, so clover can get really long and fluffy if you let it. Or if you mow it, it stays kind of low to the ground. So these guys, when I run my mower over them, it didn't even touch any of these clovers. The other ones got super tall. Like I'm talking, some of them can get up to, this is a little garden around our gazebo. And as you can see, some of the clover is way down here. And this is also that same clover. So it can get really tall. And that's what it can do if you don't cut it. So when you cut it, I hadn't cut this clover in probably like 3 weeks because I wanted to let it get super thick and fluffy before I did. And I'm very happy with the way this looks. As you can see with the befores versus the after, this area looks absolutely incredible compared to what it looked like. I mean, it was maybe a month ago was that bare ground you saw. And now all I need to do is take a little bit of more seed and sprinkle it into a few places over here because it's pretty much all filled in and I'm very, very happy with the outcome. So if you are wanting to plant a clover lawn, highly recommend. We actually had a hydro seeder come out 2 years ago and hydro seed the back hill behind our house and the lawn, and we had him do clover on that and clover on the front, and it did not take because we didn't water it enough. And I didn't realize that during the germination period, when you do sprinkle your clover seeds down, a word to the wise, you're going to want to water at least every day, but you could even do multiple times per day. Hi, Baba. The beach? You want to go to the beach with me? You're going to want to water it like extensively. Like what I have done for this, just to get it to this point, is you get one of those like oscillating sprinklers that just goes like this back and forth, and I'll set it in each section for like this section behind me, maybe 30 minutes per section. Really soak it while those seeds are germinating, and you can see them pop through in about 3 days. You'll notice that the seeds start to sprout open, and if you just keep them wet during that time, like at least the first like 2 weeks, really water them well, you'll see the patches start to form and the seeds start to really take hold. And then you just want to keep the water going for a couple more weeks. I mean, obviously you want to water it still like every now and again, but while it's getting established, really water it good, and it has absolutely flourished. So highly recommend a clover lawn if you've been thinking about one. I couldn't recommend it enough. It's literally life-changingly beautiful out here. When everything else is brown and crusty and dusty, it looks absolutely amazing and vibrant and green and fluffy and beautiful, and you want to lay in it. I'm not going to lay in it because we have grass spiders by the billions, and you know, as beautiful as this lawn is, it's filled with wolf spiders, so that's fine. And that is it for a clover lawn. It is that simple. That's how easy it is to take care of. You don't have to have one of these reel mowers, obviously. You can use a regular mower on it, like a regular push mower or a regular ride-on lawnmower. It can handle being driven on with a lawnmower. It's perfectly fine. And the cool thing about it is, like, if you have chickens, let's say, you can feed it to your chickens. They love to eat it. Bunnies love to eat it. We've had so many bunnies in our yard because they just love it. It's such a good place for them to be. The bees love it. The butterflies love it. All the bugs love it. All the animals love it. Everything eats clover, and it's so good for your soil. It is so, so beautifully wonderful for your soil. And it's just awesome. It's beautiful. It's cute. It's wonderful. No complaints. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys learned something new. And if you guys have any other videos that you want me to make or show you guys some different projects we have, like I said in previous videos, if maybe you're just stumbling upon this one, we do have a second YouTube channel where it's all homesteading, all of that, and that's the sweet life of Zach and Kristi. So subscribe if you want more homesteading content, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.